Hi there, my name is Candy, and I'm a cat. I'm new here at Freddy Fazbear's. And I'm looking to make new friends. Freddy and the rest of the gang have already welcomed me with open arms, and now it's your turn. So come over here and give Candy a hug. No, Skittlefish. I mean, Fiddlesticks. Folks is always scared of my teeth. But don't worry, I'm not gonna bite you. I just want to be your friend.
I am Cindy. I am new here at Freddy's. Hey, why don't we eat some pizza? And bleed. Oh, why not? Don't worry, I'm not going to bite. Or will I? I just want you to be my friend. I'll do anything to make you my friend. Please be my friend. Well, I guess that's goodbye for now. I hope to see you next time.
Hi there, I'm Chester. And I'm a chimpanzee. And welcome to Candy's Burgers and Fries, boys and girls. Would you kids like to see me play some tune for you? Or get served by Penguin. He'll give you some tasty burgers and fries. Would you like me to take you to my friends, Cindy the cat and Candy the cat? Or would you like to draw some awesome art on the blank? He wouldn't mind you drawing on them. So if you kids want to have fun, remember, come to Candy's Burgers and Fries. When you don't have any problems at all, then have fun here at Candy's.
Oh, hello there. I'm the Penguin, and may I say you look hungry. May I take your order today? Our options are, for some of our tasty legendary burgers and fries. Or would you like your organs ripped out your pathetic throat? Would you like some of our tasty milkshakes? Or would you rather try our famous ice cream? Do you want me to take you to the main show stage to meet the main cast themselves? Candy the cat and Cindy the cat? Would you rather pull your skeleton out and shove it back in? Meet Chester the chimpanzee, or the Blank. He's our drawing attraction here. He would love to see you suffer. Enjoy, you all, drawing some great art on him. I hope you all enjoy a great time here, ladies and gentlemen, at Candy's Burgers and Fries. So remember, if you want to be happy, with no worries at all, then come to Candy's Burgers and Fries. See you all later.
Hello, I am Blank. You can draw on me. You can make me whatever you want. Give me a silly mustache. Or angry eyebrows.
Or just scribble on me. Just make me look like an idiot. That's what you brats are good at. You all just scribble on me, and hit me, and treat me like I'm a piece of trash. You have no respect for things that aren't yours.
Would you like it if I started scribbling on you with your own blood? Would you like it if I hit and beat you until you started breaking apart? I don't think you would be okay with that. Then why do you think it's okay to do this to me?
I will crush your skulls, all of you. Then you'll know how it feels to be treated like trash.